Sup, what do you want to eat?
What the? What?
I mean, what do you want to eat? Eat.
Eat. Macarons.
You mean pasta?
No pasta, idiot. Короче, макаронс. Я подумал, что ты пришел зубы чистить, пасту.
Okay, macarons. What do you want to drink?
To what?
Drink.
Drink. I want to drink coffee.
Okay, what kind of coffee do you want? Cappuccino, espresso, americano, mochaccino?
Just a normal coffee.
Okay, anything else?
Anything else? Короче, что ты несешь? Короче, дай мою еду. My food.
Okay, how do you want to pay? Cash or card?
I think cash.
Okay, enjoy your food.
5 minutes later.
What the hell is that?